This is Jirishta studying first year in Savitha School of Engineering. Now we have to discuss about DBMS. This is the fifth chapter in DBMS, that is the schedules in database management system. These are the schedules in database management system, that is the serial schedule and the non-serial schedule. This is the non-serial schedules can be divided into two parts, that is the serialization and second one is the non-serialization. Serialization can be divided into two parts, that is the conflict serialization and view serialization. Non-serialization is also divided into two parts, that is the recoverable and non-recoverable. It is also divided into three parts, that is the cascoding schedule and cascoding schedules and strict schedules. This is the schedule in database management system, and the second topic is deadlocks. These are the deadlocks. This is the process 1 deadlock, and this is the resources 2 deadlock, and this is the resources 1 and process 2. From here to here, there is the waiting for assigned to, waiting for assigned to. From resources to processes, that is the waiting for, and processes to resources, that is the waiting for. From resources to processes, that is the assigned to, and processor to resources, that is the waiting for. You observe this once. And the second topic is concurrency control. This is the concurrency control problems. The concurrency control problems are three, that is the preventing cost update problems 2PL, uncommitted dependency problems, and last update problems. This is the deadlock mutual waiting, deadlock resolution. This is the concurrency control tools. This is the locking, obtain locks before accepting an item, locking conflict, wait for a conflict log held. And this is the problem definitions, constraints and objectives. First you have to know what is objective, that is throughout process number of the flashes processes per unit and the equal minion transaction processes. And this is the mainframes, and this is the intelligence assessed of the commonly manipulated data known as hotspots. So friends, thank you.